Hi, this is Lester, and I just want to show you how you can use this business days calculator. Um, the main purpose of this calculator is that you can add days, you can subtract days, and you can get the business days in between. So, for example, if I add days like start date is now, today, and I want to add what is the date 5 days from now, like I add 5 days. So if I calculate, that would be May 3, 2022. So if I go to the calendar, and that would be what, 7. Yeah, you thought that's wrong because we are excluding weekends. So if I include weekends in the count, um, right, May 1. That's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there. So we are there's an option as well to exclude weekends. So if you count, so it will not be counted. Weekends will not be counted. So that's pretty much how you can use the business days calculator. In a sense, businesses are closed within Saturdays and Sundays, right? So you can. It's by default. We exclude these weekends in the count off. But yet again, you can manually add something in here, like in the weekend. Just bear with me if this is a bit. Um, so if I add Thursday is a non-working weekend, and Friday non-working weekend, and if I want to get 5 business days from now, I would get May 5. So no, May 1 because we're excluding 28, so 1, skip 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be May 5. So it's pretty much how you can use this calculator. You can kind of manually right here. You can validate the results from this calculator using your own calendar. But yeah, this is pretty much working properly, and you can add subtract. You can subtract date like five. Start date is today. So what is 5 days ago? Or you want to subtract 5 business days. So that would be April 19, 2022. So let's check that. April 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty much right because we are excluding weekends. So that's pretty much how you can use. You can also explore business days in between. So how many days in between this date and this date? So that's 3 days. So that's pretty much how you can use this calculator. Thank you for watching.